scared of dogs?
No, I'm not. Hey, how are you?
Come here, come here, come here.
What's up, buddy? Oh my god.
Sorry.
No worries.
Come on, come inside. You want to come in?
So it's the iPad 9, right?
They like messed
Destroyed
it
it,
up.
right? Okay, there we
Yeah.
go. That's fine. So it's gonna take me like 35 to 45 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah,
So I'll
that's
be
fine.
right here. I'm in the black car.
Okay.
Am I
okay.
cool there, by the way? Or should I?
Pull in, like,
Okay.
where this like little outlet that you know.
Hello.
Hello.
So the iPad is ready.
Oh, thank you. So pretty.
That's the film that it comes with.
Thank you.
And then here's a few business cards.
Perfect. For next time,
Yeah.
of course, because my husband just told me. Do you fix like the charger port? Other iPad.
My charger
Thank you very
don't
much.
stay in.
It doesn't stay in?
No.
I could probably fix this right now if you want.
I don't. How much?
I could probably do like free of charge.
If you wouldn't mind looking at it. I
Yeah.
just don't have any more cash than that. But
No, I got you, man. Yeah, you want me to clean it up for you? It's probably just dirty.
you think so?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you want to take a look at it, and it's
gonna take me a couple minutes.
Next, do it again another time. Whatever.
Okay, no worries. It's gonna be like a couple of minutes.
Okay.
You want to come in? You go in there?
Yeah, I have my tools in there.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
so,
appreciate it.
all right.
Thank you so much.
All right, so that should do it, man. If you want to
Yeah?
just plug it in real quick.
Oh man, come on.
I can have my shoes on, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Oh, I really appreciate it.
Sorry, this is very chaos. Come on.
No worries, guys. It's a Sunday, so it's like a family day. Yeah.
You feel it like clicking there.
You click right in,
Yeah, I
right?
appreciate
Yeah,
it.
perfect,
Thank you
man.
so much.
Of
Thank
course,
you.
guys.
Thank you.
So we're all set, right?
Yeah.
You have my business card.
Yes, I just tried.
Appreciate you guys, all right? Enjoy the rest of your day.
You're always working. Thank you.
Yeah, let me know if anything.
I will.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
You got it. Anytime. You too.